Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Experience Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. Type in the URL for Adobe Experience Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Adobe ID login page. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email address in the provided field. Click the Next button to proceed. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your email or mobile device for the verification code. Enter the code in the required field and click Verify. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Adobe Experience Cloud dashboard. From here, you can access various Adobe services and applications. In case you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Double-check the email and password you entered for accuracy. Following these steps will help you log in smoothly to Adobe Experience Cloud. You are now ready to explore and utilize the features offered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.